Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a small business loan from $10,000 to $10 million with just few steps. So remember, in this video, I am going to tell you step by step how you can get this loan and are you eligible for this loan or not. But before moving forward with this video, I would like to request you to please like this video so it will reach the other people and it also can help them. And also remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, because right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to get notified, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. So thank you so much. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. So before moving forward, let's have an overview. The loan I am going to talk about in this video is NewTek Business Loan. It's a famous business solution specialist company where they offer loans to various business, but there are some criteria and requirements that you need to fulfill. So let's see first that what are the requirements and what are the steps and what are the things they have to offer. The first thing is the product name is NewTek Business Loans that I already told you, and they are a well-established network and a financial institution. Their minimum amount ranges from $10,000 to $10 million. Again, it depends on your needs and size of your business. The loan terms are actually really good and it's for 84 months to 300 months, and I believe it's an amazing opportunity for a lot of people out there. And one of the greatest things that I like about them is that the score that you need is only 650, and almost 70% people in the US have this score. Now let's talk about the APR. Usually when we talk about the small business loans, the APR is usually high, but when this one, it starts from 6%. And again, it totally depends on your credit standings and your business size. Now, as I already told you, their requirements consist of 650 plus personal credit score and at least 2 years of tax return. And it doesn't matter what sort of business you have. You can have a restaurant or even an online business. You only have to show them a 650 plus credit score and at the same time at least 2 years of business tax return. You can also work with the personal tax returns, but there are some sort of exceptions and requirements you need to fulfill. So let's go towards the website of this financial institutions, and I am going to paste the link in the description of this video. So what are the things that you need to remember? The first thing you need to remember that it's business financing, so you can use it for various reasons when it comes to your business. But let's see their loan overview. So when we talk about the term loan, so right here what they do exactly, as I already told you, their loan size is actually from $10,000 to $10 million. The payback terms is of course from 84 months to 300 months. So if you actually add it up, it is 7 to 25 years. And the great thing about them as well, that is limited on no prepayment penalties. So if you want to pay this loan in full, there is no penalties. Now a couple of more things to remember. When you use your funding for expand or acquire business, increase working capital, increase cash flow, open new location, yes, you can also use it to expand your business. You can also use this loan to invest in marketing on e-commerce, such as you can do that by buying real estate and selling them, and it is mostly used as flipping houses if you have a real estate business. So when it comes to the purchasing inventory or equipment, if you are already established business and you want to expand your business or buy new stuff, you can always use this loan to do that. I already told you about the real estate, so there is no reason to repeat it. Now let's talk about one more thing, and that's what I really like about them. And most of the business loan, they don't do that anymore, but for this one you can actually use this loan if you get good terms to refinance an existing business loan or a debt that you have. Now my favorite thing that I would want to see every financial institution to come up with this feature, and that is the pre-qualification feature. But before going there, let's see that what they need. They need at least 2 to 3 years of your tax return, means your business has to be established for at least 2 years. And then your business has to be a US based business. Now the third one, that the business should have the repayment ability, means they will definitely see your profits and your cash flow that you will be able to repay them or not every month. Now the following industries are eligible: manufacturing if you have a production business, wholesaling of course it carries groceries and other services. Now the services industries is also covered, such as security guards providers and other things. Retailing, general and heavy construction is also included. And one more thing, that special trade construction is also eligible. And what I mean by special trade, it means if you're flipping houses, you can always do that. And I'm also going to create a separate video when I will talk about the flipping houses. So now let's see what is the pre-qualification forms look like. So I'm going to show you how to actually fill it out with examples. So this is a demo. Remember, the first thing, you need to have your contact name. So let's fill it out. Credit Viral. Now your business name, I'm gonna call it Credit Builder. The years of business, you have to fill it out, and when you click on it, there's a drop down menu. You can actually do the 3 years or more than 3 years. Remember, if you click on 1 year or less than 1 year, they will not give you the loan. So if you have the tax return for at least 2 years, you can click on it. Now they ask you for the loan type. When you click on it, it will open this drop down menu. So you can always click on the loan that you need. They also give you a line of credit, and I will review that in a separate video. So let's click on the convention loan, and then it's going to ask you for the loan amount. Remember, they give you from $10,000 to $10 million. So right here, let's put $50,000. Right after that, it's going to ask you for your work phone. So I'm gonna put it like this for now. You can also put your cell phone number, but it's not mandatory, so it's totally up to you. Now it's gonna ask you for your email address, so you can put your email address right here. And then it's gonna ask you for your website. If you don't have a business website, so don't worry about it. Now it's gonna ask you your address, your city, your state, your zip code. And remember, they ask you for the best time to call, so always click on either midday or evening, because that's one of those times that they actually call you. When you actually click on the morning, I heard from a lot of people that you usually call in the morning and they won't get back to you. Now they're gonna ask, how did you hear about us? You can always say YouTube, and you can always put my channel's name if you want. Now all you need to do, if you have any questions or comments, you can put it right there, and if not, then click on the I'm not a robot and then click submit. So if you have any questions or feedback regarding this loan or any other questions regarding your credit or financing, then please let me know in the comment below and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much, and remember that right after this video, I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 business credit card with no credit check. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you and take care.